Now let us consider DC power. DC power. In circuit. First one, standard convention according to IEEE. This is plus, this is minus, voltage across V. If current flowing minus to plus, then power this will be equal to minus V into I. Minus sign indicate power delivered by element. I don't know this is capacitor, inductor, battery or inverter. Anyway, it is applicable for all. Now another, if this is plus, this is minus, power delivered by element this is equal to VI. This is what? Now if voltage across V, current flow plus to minus, power this is equal to V into I. That is power consumed by element. This will be equal to V by what? Any doubt? This is the standard convention. Now another way discuss. Let us assume a circuit. Suppose that this is 6 volt, current is 2 ampere. Suppose that connected parallel with a load R, this is 3 ohm. This is 3 ohm. Now powered in voltage source, this will be equal to minus 6 into 2I, because current flowing through minus to plus, that's why minus sign. 6 into 2, this will be equal to minus 12 watts. It means that is power delivered by voltage source. Voltage source. Now focus on load. This is also 2 ampere. Current flowing through plus to minus. That's why power in load, this will be equal to current flowing plus to minus, voltage across 3 ohm resistance. This is both are parallel, that's why 6 volt. 6 into 2, this is 12 watt. So minus or plus sign indicate only deliver or consumption. This is 12 watt. It means that is power consumed by load. This is 12 watt. Now what is exactly what will be happen? Another way discuss. Suppose that this is the element, this is the element, voltage across this element is V. Suppose that electron is present here, tendency of electron attract to positive terminal. Tendency of electron attract to positive terminal. Suppose that current flowing through plus to minus. Current flowing through plus to minus. Direction of current, direction of electron. Who is decided direction of electron? Flow of current. It means suppose that this is plus, this is minus. If current flowing through this, the electron tendency minus to plus, always flowing to opposite direction. That's why now this is the electron, tendency of electron always flowing to without any tendency of electron, natural tendency flowing positive terminal. But according to this electron, according to this current, electron tendency, current flowing through this one, that's why electron tendency flowing to minus to plus. It is natural tendency. It's natural tendency. No external power requirement for electron minus to plus. That's why power P this equal to V into I. That is power consumption. That is power consumed by element. That is power consumed by element. It is clear? Now another way. Plus and this is minus. Current flowing through negative to positive terminal. Tendency of electron attracted by positive terminal. Tendency of electron always, natural tendency of electron try to positive terminal, but direction of electron decided by current. Direction of current is negative to positive. That's why tendency of electron according to this current plus to minus. It means external force requirement, external energy requirement to flow of electron positive to negative. It is not natural. That's why P this equal to minus Vy. It means that is power delivered by element. External energy requirement for that electron to flow positive to negative. That's why it is delivering power element. Now focus on element like just like inverter, capacitor, inductor. ठीक है? How? Inverter, capacitor means sometime capacitor charging plus to minus. This is V. If current flowing to plus to minus, it means charging. If current flowing to minus to plus, it means discharging. Same concept for also inductor. Plus minus, this is minus plus. This is charging, discharging. Now more application in power electronics. Suppose another power in inductor. Power in inductor. Everyone know that VL this be equal to L di by dt. Suppose that this is the inductor L, this is plus and this is minus. If current flowing to pi plus to minus, this is VL. Now, case first. If I is increases, current is increases, it means di by dt increases. How? I2 minus I1 divided by delta t. I2 is greater than I1, that's why di by dt is greater than 0. Just like for example, this one, this is I1, this is I2, this is delta t, this is I and this is t. Now di by dt is greater than 0. Voltage across inductor, di by dt is greater than 0, that's why L di by dt positive. What is power across inductor? VL into IL. It means, look like this one, VL is positive, IL is also positive. It means power consumed by inductor. Power consumed by inductor. It means Vs this be equal to half L into I square. I is increases, that's why this is also increases. It means energy stored by inductor, it will be increases. Look. Another way, this is the case first. Now, if another case second, if I is decreases in magnitude wise, for example, look like this circuit, look like this graph. This is I2 dash, sorry, I1 dash, this is I2 dash. I2 is greater, I2 dash is greater than I1 dash. It means rate of change, this is I2 dash minus I1 dash divided by delta t. I2 dash is greater than, sorry, I1 dash is greater than I2 dash. That's why this is negative. It means di by dt negative. Voltage across inductor, this is di by dt, it is negative. Circuit look like current direction, current always positive but decreases. Polarity of inductor is reverse, this is minus, this is plus. It means power across inductor minus VL into IL, this is negative. It means that is power delivered by inductor. It means power delivered by inductor in magnitude wise. In magnitude, all discussion in magnitude. It is clear. If current is decreased, di by dt is decreased, that's why VL is decreases. It means power delivered by inductor. It is clear. Now another case. Also you can say Vs this equal to 1 by half L I0 का square. Current decreases, power decreases. It means deliver. Consumption of energy continuous decreases. Now during I1 dash to I2 dash. Now another case, third. If I is constant, suppose that DC current are just like DC current. If I is constant, di by dt, this is 0. It means VL is 0. That's why inductor like short circuit. Voltage across inductor is 0. Behave like short circuit. It means that time, that is no power, neither, that is neither consumption, neither consume nor deliver by inductor. In case of DC, it is clear. Property of inductor. Now focus on this circuit. Look like in magnitude wise I will discuss. In one cycle, this is T by 2, this is T. This is T by 4, this is 3T by 4. Suppose that this is current I this equal to Im sin omega t. Our discussion focus on if I is positive, suppose in magnitude by 0 to T by 4 and T by 2 to T 3T by 4. Look, current increases, voltage across inductor positive during 0 to T by 4, and also if magnitude, look at the magnitude wise. Current also increases. In both case I rise, that's why di by dt greater than 0, that's why VL is positive, that's why power is positive. It means in first and third coordinate, power consumption, that is power consume in magnitude wide. Power consume by inductor during 0 to t by 4 and t by 2 to 3t by 4. Any doubt? Now another word. Consume of, just like half L I 0 square, because this is G, I is increases, that's why store energy of inductor half L I square is increases. Now another case, during 0 to t by 4 to t by 2 and 3t by 4 to t, current I decreases in magnitude wise. Current I decreases, look, current decreases, also decreases in magnitude wise. That's why di by dt decreases less than 0, VL is negative, power also negative, that is power delivered by inductor during t by 4 to t by 2 and 3t by 4 to t. Energy half Li square decreases. Now this one and this one consume, and this one deliver. It is clear? Average power, this is equal to 0. Average power 0. Look, 0 to t by 4. Now this one store another cycle, another time, t by 4 to t by 2 and 3t by 4 to t, it is deliver. It means in one cycle inductor average power is 0. It means deliver power, this is equal to consumption. That's why average power in AC inductor is 0. Now another concept. Suppose that a DC battery, it's a powerful concept. AC and DC also available here. Two current going through DC, AC and DC. This is I0. IAC means ripples, F, 2F, 3F, so on. DC means average current. Voltage across battery is E. Now focus on power. How much power? Power regarding to AC, P of AC plus P of DC, two power available here. Voltage across, sorry, battery across power due to AC and also available in DC. Now first of all discuss AC. AC power means E into IAC. Suppose that IAC look like Im sin omega t, omega 2 pi f, f is the least ripple frequency. Now power AC, this will be equal to E Im sin of omega t. Now look, what is the graph? Graph look like this one, this one. This is E Im, this is P. This is minus E Im. This is T by 4, this is T by 2, 3T by 4, this is T. Average power, this will be equal to, average power means one cycle 0 to T. 0 to T, average power positive, other one is negative, that's why it is 0. It means AC component, AC current component across battery power store या average power across battery is 0 due to AC component. Right now, due to AC component in DC power means P average is 0. P average is 0. Now, corresponding to discuss DC. PDC, this will be equal to E into IDC. IDC means average, I average. To PDC, this will be equal to, this is E into I average. To only power delivered by battery is average power only E due to only for DC component, not AC component. Another way, if suppose that this is Vm sin omega t, power current DC plus AC available here. Same concept apply here also. Now here I average, this will be equal to I into Vm sin omega t is 0. P of AC average, this will be equal to 0. Sorry, P of DC, this will be equal to 0. Only available for AC component. This is how depend upon what is IAC. IAC is, suppose that this is Im sin of omega t, that's why 1 by t 0 to I into v into t omega t, 0 to t.